Hello friends and welcome to the team building up and pre-match analysis between Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Yes, two teams. The top team in the chart and the bottom team in the chart will be playing together today in Abu Dhabi, and it will be a fascinating match because Sunrisers will have to win. This is a must-win match for Sunrisers Hyderabad because if they lose today, three losses in three, and this will be very tough for them to continue the tournament to be in the top four, and this will be the hardest time for them to cope up. So this is the most important game for Sunrisers Hyderabad, where they have not found the group, they have not found the combination right, the players are not informed, the bowlers are not performing. Yes, two or three batsmen are performing, but their middle order is looking very horrible. So they will be against the top team of this tournament right now. I'll say is Delhi Capitals. The top batsmen are there, the top bowlers are there, they are in a group, they are performing well, they are gelled up, and they are looking very much confident. So if we talk about the team combination first, if we talk about the team combination of Sunrisers Hyderabad, I'm repeatedly telling that without Williamson, their middle order is looking horrible and very inexperienced. I don't know why they have left Shikhar Dhawan. Yes, they have brought in Vijay Shankar, but Vijay Shankar is not a regular performer. He is also injured. Wriddhiman Saha has come in. Yes, he has played a good innings, but 30 out of 31 balls was not an innings of a T20 like. So this will be a very tested time for their batsmen, and their batsmen, four main batsmen, Bairstow, Warner, Manish Pandey and Navi, they four will have to step up today's match because Garg, Abhishek Sharma, they are very inexperienced, and it will be very harsh from them to perform well. They have already played just two matches, so it will be hard for them to perform initially, and the bowlers will have to step up. Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Khalil Ahmed, Sandeep Sharma, they will have to step up. Yes, Rashid Khan is bowling well, but his lack of wickets right now, so he will have to take wickets. Nabi will have to take wicket, and especially Sunrisers Hyderabad will have to gel up as a team and perform today, because to beat this Delhi team you will have to perform your best, because this Delhi team is just looking phenomenal. No changes will be there in today's match. Their winning combination from the last two matches will be continued. Yes, Ashwin is not that much fit, I think, so Amit Mishra will continue, and the other players there will not be any changes. And I think Stoinis can be used a bit more for Delhi. If wickets are not falling, they can send him up the order as a pinch hit, not a pinch hitter, as a regular hitter, because he is in great form and great hitting form actually. So Delhi Capitals, there are players for them to cope up in every situation. So Sunrisers Hyderabad, you will have to play your best to beat Delhi Capitals today, and they will be playing in Abu Dhabi, longer ground, so it will be a very good match. I'll expect the Sunrisers will step up and perform well today, and they will be competing with Delhi Capitals. Yes, Delhi Capitals is looking much more confident, and their ability suggests that it is a match which they could win. But Sunrisers, if they lose today, it will be over for them for the tournament to be in the top four. So fingers crossed for Sunrisers Hyderabad, and best of luck.